Accelerate your nanoprobing process with a sample positioning XYZ Sub-stage by Imina Technologies. Here you can see 4 nanoprobers that surround a semiconductor chip mounted on the substage. Let's have a closer look. This is the XYZ substage. It can move a sample over 5 mm across X and Y and 330 microns in vertical direction, all with nanometric resolution and independently from the nanoprobers. Let's load the nanoprobing platform with a sample in the electron microscope and have a look at the workflow. The interface you see here is Preciso, our software suite. It acquires the SEM image and lets you control your entire probing setup, the nanoprobers and the substage. This panel here is the nanoprobers and substage control unit. The red color marks the probing tips. The blue color marks an NMOS transistor from a 65 nanometer process, which we will be measuring here. This transistor from the SRAM area is delayered to metal 1. When the probing tips are properly landed on the transistor terminals, we can record the IV curves. We sweep the drain voltage while measuring the drain current at different gate voltages. Once the transistor is characterized, we use the XYZ substage to move the sample down and then laterally to the next transistor. There, we move the substage back up until the nanoprobers are in contact with the terminals. Measure the IV curves, and off we go to the next device. This is how the XYZ substage saves your time and enables fast characterization of many identical devices on the chip without having to readjust the nanoprobers every time.